like, you know when you have a headache, and then you remember the point when you didn't have the headache and how great life was. This is the best it's going to be for the rest of today. The rest of my life.
Mom's arrived.
Oh.
I'm gonna get you guys a glass of milk each.
Oh, remember you said that thing?
So get a picture of that, get close up, watch it. This basket's broken. You see that?
The thumbnail, get in there. There you go. Why are there so many fucking seats?
Are you guys getting cold feet?
No, he said he was getting us the glass of milk. Just in case.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah. In case we hit the eject button.
That's semi-skim. Almond milk.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Whole milk's got more lactose.
Yeah.
It's better. Are you ready, guys?
Wait, just chill.
You tell me when you're ready, I'll come to it.
12 seconds later.
Does it have to be complete bone? Or they like...
Not complete, but
not
eat most of it and we'll let you off. You're not allowed to shred it beforehand, you have to bite straight into it, yeah?
The timer starts when we bite. Or when
Timer starts whenever you're ready, guys. Are you ready?
Ah.
I feel like after this first one, I'm gonna be like...
3, 2, 1. That's the wrap.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Can't do it.
More milk.
Yeah, too.
That helps.
6.5 hours later.
Success.
I will have my vengeance in this life or the next.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,